in this video we are going to do an unboxing and review of an USB cable from the company Boat. As you guys can see, it's a 2-in-1 USB cable. It can carry up to 3 ampere and a transfer speed of up to 480 Mbps, and it is 1.5 meter in length, and it can be used for fast charging. So here you can see it comes with an aluminum shell housing for durability, and it's a rugged cable, so it won't get damaged easily like another cables. So you can see there are premium nylon braiding is there, which increases the durability of the product. So without wasting any more time, let's unbox the product. Once you unbox the product, there you can see there is a warranty card from the company itself. It gives, if you register, you can get a warranty of up to 2 years. So other than that, you can see the cable itself. So without wasting any more time, we'll take a look at the cable. So here, as you can see, the cable looks quite premium, and the one side you can see a USB port, and the other side you can see there is a USB-C port, and below that you can see there is a micro USB port which is connected to it. So that's the reason we are not able to see now. So the cable looks quite good, and it has a bit of weight to it, and the thickness is comparatively more than the normal cables, and this is the nylon braiding. So what it does is it increases the durability of the cable, rather than like in the normal when it comes in the normal cables, what happens is in the use the rubber start peeling off, but in the nylon braided cable that doesn't happen, and it can stand a lot of wear and tear. So this is how the USB Type A looks like. Now let's take a look at the other end of the USB cable. So here you can see on the top there is a USB-C port, which most of our phone uses now, and the back side. So once we remove the USB-C from the top by pulling it, you can just remove it by pulling it. See, below that you can see there is a micro USB cable, which will be used by most of the small devices or a bit older devices. So you can just push it back, and yeah, see, this is how it can convert into USB-C type. So without wasting any more time, let's check whether it supports fast charging or not, because the company claims that it can take up to 3 ampere of current. So this is the power bank. If it is supporting fast charging, the green LED indicator will light up. So as you can see, it supports fast charging. That is the reason the green indicator has turned on, which says that the power bank is fast charging. So let's try it with the micro USB cable also by removing the Type C, because this power bank supports the input on both Type C and micro USB. So let's try with this also. As you can see, it again supports fast charging. So that's it, guys. So if you are trying to get a replacement for your USB cable which is provided by a phone company or any other device company, it's better to go for a branded USB cable like this one, because most of the time what happens is many of the companies provide fast charging, super fast charging, whatever it is, but the cable which you are using doesn't support it. So it will pump more current to the cable, which heats up the cable, and it can damage both the charger cable and the device itself. So this is a better alternative, and which is safe also, and it supports fast charging also. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys like the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.